So I had an idea. I recently reacted to a song from Gabon, and then I was like, what if I reacted to a song from every country in Africa? So this is like an African marathon. I am going to be reacting to songs from every African country. I think that's how I should put it. A song from every African country. So yeah, I reacted to Gabon, and today I'm reacting to Burundi. This is not the first time I'm reacting to a song from Burundi. If you have been watching videos on my other channel, you would know that my favorite artist is Kajanine from Burundi. I don't know if she's still considered Burundian because I think she lives in Europe now. But yeah, she's one of my favorite artists because I think our radio station used to play her music and we're like, what kind of language is that? But still, we were just, dancing to her music and listening as if we understand what it says. Is one of those songs that one of the musicians that even though you don't understand the language, you can just feel the message. You know what I mean? So yeah. But today I have Fernando Kazima Imana inkunda. I tried to pronounce that, but from Burundi, man, I'm so proud of myself. If you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. Let's go.
Fernando, easy to go, yesha. Chane chane uri gutera imbere uca ubona abantu usha inzigo zabo zari zinyegeje abo wita bajamaniga uzoba desu niwatera imbere kuko bifuza ko wotera imbere ariko ntubasumbye bifuza ko wokwama inyuma ukaguma ubaseba mana ncira inzira igikombe k'indege Unavansi baje sindamusiga ariko nazi kuri au control ntacyo bitwaye no babarimani.
Hold on, let's go. All right, my video feed went away and we are back.
Namubasha bamfiseko bla 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 ntacyo bibwiye bazimba imana inkunda bla 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 ntacyo zimbwiye bazimba imana inkunda.
African music, man.
Dufise byinshi cyane twabavuga ko gusa nta mwanya tugira tuba turi busy no kurondera amarare ngo twiteze imbere. Enemies tuck 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 Baba God bless 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 bless. Enemies tuck 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 Baba God bless bless. Yeah yeah. Bifuza ko wotera imbere ariko ntubasumbye bifuza ko wokwama inyuma ukaguma ubaseba mana ncira inzira igikombe k'indege unavansi baje sindamusiga ariko nazi kuri au control ntacyo bitwaye no babadarimani nyanse n'ayabantu ko
it's a pretty chill like Afrobeat type of a thing.
Oh na bla 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 ntacyo bibwiye bazimba imana inkunda bla 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 ntacyo zimbwiye.
It came with its own viral dance move, man. This is beautiful.
Thank you, dear God. Thank you, Mama. Thank you, Bellissima, my love. Thank you, brothers and sisters. Thank you, all my family. Thank you, my fans. Thank you, Megamind, Sadak. Thank you, Big Boss, Emery, my big brother. Respect. Thank you, all my enemies.
Oh, that's beautiful. That's a beautiful song, and I think he's like, everybody is doing their job. So thank you to everybody. I'm just gonna Yeah, that was kind of, it got emotional there for a second. I don't know what's going on. But yeah, thank you so much for watching that. That was another hit from Burundi. Please go check out Fernando. Africans should start celebrating other African music. You know what I mean? Like, we are missing out on really good talents out there, just are stuck to our own thing. You know what I mean? So this was beautiful. It's a beautiful experience for sure, and I'm excited to see what song I'm gonna react to next. So if you're from a different country in Africa, you're like, yo, you haven't checked our music out, I will be definitely happy to check it out. Whether it's a video or audio, it doesn't matter, you know what I mean? So thank you so much for watching this. I will see you guys on the other side. If you're here for the first time, like I said, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. See you guys on the other side.